We're going to look at the determination of protein in yogurt using the Kjeldhal method. Okay, so what we have here is we've got Buki tubes, and in each of the Buki tubes we put our reagents. So what we have is 1 tablet of the Kjeldhal tablets, 0.5 gram of copper sulfate or catalyst, anywhere between 0.5 1 gram of our yogurt samples, and we also have 2 glass beads. We work in the fume hood because what we do then is we added 25 mils of concentrated sulfuric acid. So the first step is called a digestion step. The samples are now being lifted from one fume hood into the digestion block, and here in the digestion block it's been preheated, sitting at number 10 on our unit, and it'll be moved down to number 8 after 10 minutes. So they're sitting in the unit now, and they're going to put on the exhaust manifold. So generally, if we put on the left hand side first, and there's elastic bands then to hold it in place, and then the right hand side. And we turn on the water unit here, and we can see the water heading down the drain, and already we can see the steam start to rise up off the samples from the heating digestion block, and we'll leave it on the digestion unit now to digest. Okay, so we're just going to turn off the water, and we're now going to lift the Buki tubes out of the heating block. So immediately you can see that the whole colour has changed. I'm going to lift this up to here. So they're well digested, and now we're going to do the distillation phase. So we're attaching it onto the distillation unit, and here we have our conical flask with 4% boric acid and 3 drops of shear indicator. And we're going to distill the sample right across into the conical flask. So it'll run for 3 minutes, and so it's making its way up through here, condensing along the tubes here and coming down into our retainer flask or conical flask, where we have boric acid, 4%, 50 mils of it, and 3 drops of our shear indicator. So the third part of the Kjeldhal method is titration, and we see here we have got in the receiving conical flask we have boric acid, and we have 3 drops of shear indicator. We have 50 mils of 4% boric acid, and into our burette we're going to put 0.1 mil of HCl.